Uncovering the treasure, the 1794 Liberty coin worth millions. Hello, coin enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special for you. We're going to delve into the fascinating world of numismatics and explore the incredible value of the 1794 Liberty coin, a true American treasure that's worth millions. So, let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about the history of the 1794 Liberty coin. This coin was minted in the early days of the United States and holds a significant place in American numismatic history. It's also known as the flowing hair silver dollar, and its rarity is astounding. Only a limited number of these coins were ever minted, making them exceptionally rare. The design features liberty with flowing hair on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse, symbolizing the young nation's freedom and strength. Now, let's discuss the factors that affect the value of a 1794 Liberty coin. Condition is paramount. The better the coin's condition, the higher its value. Mint state, uncirculated coins are the most valuable. Rarity also plays a huge role. Variations in dies and minting errors can further increase a coin's worth. To give you a sense of just how valuable these coins can be, let's look at some recent auctions. In recent years, 1794 Liberty coins have fetched prices ranging from hundreds of thousands to several $1 million. Some even reach into the tens of millions for exceptionally rare specimens. So, where can you find a 1794 Liberty coin? Reputable coin dealers and auction houses are the primary places to acquire these coins. Be cautious of counterfeits and always seek expert authentication. In conclusion, the 1794 Liberty coin is not just a piece of currency, it's a piece of American history worth millions. If you're fortunate enough to own one or aspire to, take good care of it, and consider professional grading and authentication. Remember, the world of numismatics is filled with stories, history, and incredible treasures like the 1794 Liberty coin. Stay curious, and who knows, you might stumble upon your own piece of history one day. Thank you for joining us on this numismatic journey today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of coins and collectibles. Until next time, happy collecting! 1794 Liberty coin, highlighting its history, rarity, factors affecting value, recent auction prices, where to find them, and concluding with tips for collectors. The script can be customized and expanded upon to create a more detailed video.